Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is most beautiful crochet, fabulous ideas and crochet pattern and different shapes and different styles like office work designs and like different party wear and event functions. Carry comfortably carry on for girls and women's latest and beautiful ideas. So I hope you like it and different style look different step style to make this strap. Create a chain up and of about 120 stitches. Adjust for your strap length and attach the strap over to the uh, opposite side of the bag by slip stitching, sewing and big glitters and button style optional. Add button and strap and feel free to customize your handbags with different stitch patterns, colors and style to make it unique. Enjoy your crocheting ideas and styling like different ways and different styling. I hope you like it. So here's a basic pattern to get your start on a simple crochet handbags and different colors. Shapes are more beautiful and latest shapes and latest ideas. So I hope you like it. So please keep sharing and watching my video.